Well, welcome back to Zoom Chic. I'm Julie, and today we're kicking off a brand new series called Camera Friendly Colors, where I spotlight individual colors that will make you pop on screen and show you how to wear them with confidence. Let's be honest, it's so easy to get stuck in a color rut on camera. You find a few shades that work, and suddenly your entire wardrobe is navy, black, gray, and beige. Sound familiar? That's why we're exploring the full color world of possibilities. So you can find new favorites that look amazing on you and keep your virtual presence fresh. So for our first episode, we're going to light up the screen with lavender and all those beautiful shades from lilac to a deeper purple. Now, if you're new here, this channel is all about helping professional women look polished, confident, and camera ready on video. If that sounds like you, be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so that you get all the new videos. So I don't know about you, but I used to think that lilac and lavender were a little too springy or soft for professional meetings. Well, I have since come around 180 degrees because these colors look fantastic on camera on most people. So I'm going to show you some different looks that you can incorporate in your virtual style all year round. First up is this lavender and lace blouse from Amazon. Now, it's a rich, vibrant color, but it holds up really well to the harsh lighting that often is associated with being on video. And it has texture, which is a great thing to have on camera because it adds a little dimension. You can see the ruching down the front. And then, of course, the lace texture on the sleeves, which shows up nicely. Now, if you've seen my video on sheer sleeves, you know I'm obsessed with contrasting sleeve styles. And here's why. A solid color blouse can make you appear shapeless on screen. It blends together your torso and your arms into one flat, undefined shape. These lace sleeves create visual separation between your torso and your arms, giving you definition and structure. They literally define your silhouette in a way that solid color blouses can't do. Now, this cotton poly button down is a great year-round option. And it also combines two of my favorite camera tricks. It's a beautiful shade, and it also has an inner contrasting collar. Now, a tailored collared shirt almost always looks polished and professional. However, it's especially powerful on video because this contrasting collar breaks up the monotony of the solid color that we usually see, and it also frames your face beautifully. It's almost like a built-in necklace. Now, unfortunately, contrasting collar shirts for women are incredibly difficult to find. Either they're super pricey or they just have a white contrasting collar, and white isn't super great around your face on camera. So I was thrilled to find this one on Amazon, and it comes in multiple colors. So check the comments for the link if you want to find one for yourself. I fell in love with this sweater at first sight, and that was before I knew how incredibly soft it is. It's a silk cashmere blend from designer Vince, which I snagged at a post-Christmas sale, and it just feels as good as it looks. So the color is a little deeper lavender with a little bit of a blue tint on camera, which is rich and sophisticated, and it just shows you that lavender doesn't have to be fun and frilly. It can be very sophisticated and polished as well. Here's another great Amazon find in a lovely lilac poly blend. It's got not one, not two, but three camera-ready criteria going for it. First of all, it's got these short mesh sleeves and a solid bodice, which provides great contrast and definition. It has a stand collar, which is very flattering on video, and these black braided loops, which I found out are called frog closures, which provide visual interest and contrast. And if you don't want to go bare-armed, it looks great under a fitted black cardigan. Not quite ready to go full lavender? Try incorporating it in a camera-friendly print like this beautiful soft lavender, blue, and white cardigan from Lane. I have to admit, before I started working virtually, my cardigan collection went from black to gray. But this color combination, it reminds me of a Matisse painting. And who doesn't like to look at a Matisse? So there you have it. Completely different ways to light up the screen with lavender. From crisp contrast colors to cozy cashmere to bolder prints, you can see that lavender, lilac, all those beautiful shades can be much more versatile than you may have thought. If you enjoyed this first episode of Camera Ready Colors, give it a like, and let me know in the comments what color would you like me to feature next. And I will see you on the next video.